Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Niato V. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always taking the time to watch my videos. If you are new to this channel, thank you for joining and kindly hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I upload new videos. Today I'll be sharing with you some of my happy moments that I have received from Gisimba Memorial Center. I've actually been in Rwanda for 4 months and I completed my voluntary service with this unique organization that cares so much about children and families. They are amazing and it's called Gisimba Memorial Center. I'm so proud to be a part of Gisimba family today. It was amazing. And I will just show you the gift they gave me today. Like I was overwhelmed with all of the gifts. I was so excited. At the same time, I was overwhelmed and I was surprised because I did not expect it. I didn't see this coming. Like they are so sweet, loving people. I will just show you the gift. Now the gift I mean today is too much, guys. Those guys are so nice. So the someone gave me this gift and it is a bag. It's a bag. I will just open it. Oh, and it has something in it already. Oh my God. It has this that you can use to put like pencil. You can use to put it in it. And it has like Rwanda. It has Rwanda on it. This is so beautiful. And this bag, see inside this bag is so big. You can put whatever ladies materials inside this bag. This is so beautiful. I like it. Thank you so much, Gisimba. Wow, another bag. Oh my God. See this, guys. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Let me open this to see what's in it. So beautiful. It's a hand bracelet. This is so beautiful. They give me a shirt. And it says Gisimba. Okay, I need to wear this. I need to wear this. This is so. Oh my God. Wow. Gisimba. This is a copybook that he gave me as a gift. And it has each of the staff. They wrote some kind words in there for me. And I will just read one out. I'll read the one for my supervisor. So guys, listen. Miato, it was with pleasure to have you at Gisimba Memorial Center. We are going to miss you, but sure we will see you again. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate everything that you did for me at the center. I appreciate the time together. I appreciate the kids. The kids were so amazing. Those kids are so sweet. And I just want to tell you all, thank you so much for the time we spent together. I will always remember you guys wherever I am. Thank you for your patience with me. You guys are all amazing people. And I'll keep in touch with you. Whenever I am visiting Rwanda, you guys will be my first family that I will look up to. Thank you all so much. Thank you for all the gifts. Knowing you all is a life-changing moment for me, and the experiences that I got from interacting with you all, it remains with me forever. So guys, those are my gifts from the Gisimba Memorial Center in Rwanda. I didn't tell you guys about the program that Gisimba is implementing. Is called Trust-Based Relational Intervention. It's all about working with traumatized families and children. After the genocide, most children and even families were left traumatized. Simba took upon their time to establish a social center that they are able to care for some of those traumatized families and children, and they are doing amazing work in Rwanda. You can look them up at their website. This is not an advert. I do voluntary service with them. I'm just trying to express my joy, my appreciation to them. I will put their website, the link of the website, in the description below. Guys, I'm so happy about my gift, my certificates and everything, my bag, my shirt. and everything from Gisimba. I love it all and I love you all so much.